Welcome to Buysellvouchers. In this video, we will guide you through the process of purchasing JD gift cards. Let's begin. Once you log into the Buysellvouchers website, you can either use the search function to find your desired product or navigate through the menu bar. For instance, if you click on More in the menu, you will find a comprehensive list of available niches on our site. As for this demonstration, click on JD. You can see various JD products listed, each offered by different sellers. Take your time to choose the specific JD gift cards product that suits your preferences. Once you've made your selection, click on it to access the product page. On the product page, you will find detailed information such as product description, reviews, pricing, and seller information. To proceed with the purchase, click on the Buy Now button. Next, select your preferred payment method and click Buy. Now, please be patient for a moment as your order is processed. Within a few seconds, your order will be confirmed. Now, click on Get Product button. Your gift card voucher code will be indicated. Congratulations! You have successfully acquired JD gift cards through Buysellvouchers. Thank you for choosing Buysellvouchers.